Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will make these gloves, and the stitches that I use is only single crochet and half double crochet, and we have only two sizes for the thumb and the other finger, and I use 100% acrylic yarn for both of the color, and I use 3.5mm crochet hook. You can use also 4.0, but I have a very tiny hand, so I use 3.5. And without further ado, let's get started. To start, we will do a magic ring, chain 1, and do 6 single crochet inside the ring. For the forefinger, on the ring finger, middle finger, and index finger are the same pattern with the pinky. Now we will do the pinky, and you just need to do a single crochet and increase for 9 stitches, and then single crochet next 2 stitches next to chain, and then increase in the next for 12. And for the thumb, you just need to do the same process on the forefinger, but you need to do another round for single crochet on the next 3 stitches, and then increase in the next for 15 single crochet stitches. And you just need to measure the length of your fingers. So this is what look like on our pinky. This is the length of my pinky. You have to do like this. And then once you finish your pinky, we will connect all the ring finger, and we will do a 6 single crochet. Insert. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 single crochet, we will connect the other middle finger, and then we do 6 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then on the index finger, we will connect. We'll do a same 6 single crochet. Once you connect all the fingers, just do a single crochet around. You repeat it for twice, and then on the third round, you just need to decrease every finger until you will have 27 stitches around. This is how we do a decrease. Insert the hook, grab the yarn inside, you have 2 loops, insert on the next chain, grab the yarn, you have 3 loops, and pull all through 3 loops. And again, do a single crochet until we reach on the other side of the finger. Single crochet. And in the next finger, once you start with the next finger, we will decrease. 3 loop and pull through 3 loop. And again, do again on the other side of each of the finger and decrease. And once you turn on the other side, decrease it again. Do a decrease again. This is what it look like on the after you have 27 single crochet stitches around. And now we will do the palm and wrist of our fingerless gloves. We just do a slip knot and chain 9. Once you do chain 9, single crochet second chain from the hook on the back bump of the chain. When you reach to the last chain, you will have 8 single crochet stitches. And after, we will do a chain 1. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so we will do a back loop only on our regular chain. This is the back loop. Do a back loop single crochet until we reach to the 7th chain. And this is the 7th back loop. And on the 8th chain, just do a single crochet on the both front and back, and do a single crochet, and repeat this one for 27 rows of single crochet. This is the 27 rows of back loop single crochet. What we're going to do is chain 1, and then we will connect the chain on the other side of the row. and just do a slip stitch every chain. Once you're done with all the slip stitch, we will turn our work and do a chain 1. And we will do a half double crochet in each side of the rows. We'll start here and do a half double crochet. Do half double crochet until we reach on the 27th chain. When we reach to the end, you should have 27 half double crochet. And after that, just continue spiral, do a half double crochet on the stitch marker, and just continue half double crochet spiral for 7 rounds of, do a 7 rounds of half double crochet. And once you're done with your 7 rounds of half double crochet, of 27 half double crochet, we will count a 6 half double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you have 6 half double crochet, we will chain 6. 6 chain, and we will skip the 6th chain here, and we will do half double crochet on the 7th. And after that, after you connect, we will continue our half double crochet around. And when we reach to the stitch marker, we will continue our rounds of half double crochet, and then you just need to do 4 rounds of half double crochet spiral. Once you're done with the 4 rounds of half double crochet, we will leave a long tail, and then we will connect the other side of we will connect the wrist, palm to the finger, the other side of the pattern. Again, this is how I connect, this is how I do my gloves. Connect on the other side. If you have any idea on how to make gloves, if I'm wrong, you can comment down below on my video. So you just need to do, you just connect all the chain like this. And once you're done sewing the two parts, you just need to secure the yarn and hide the tail under the stitches. On the thumb, we will do a slip stitch each of the chain and just insert the yarn and do chain 1 and do slip stitch on the next stitches. And once you've done all the stitches of the slip stitch, just hide the tail inside the gloves. And that's it, we finished our gloves. This is what it looked like on the finish after all the efforts that you do on doing your glove. This is what it looked like. It's not really perfect, but it's the way how I do my glove. And if you have any questions, comment it down below on this video. And if you have made your own glove like this, let me know. Or you can also follow me on my Instagram account so we can talk about this. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye!